be pretty
Ruby.
big. Might have some toys in it.
Co to jest?
Pull it up.
It's an Easter basket.
Look at the toys in it.
I see a Dora mermaid in there.
That's right.
A Dora mermaid.
And what's on the other side?
Ooh, what is that?
Open it up.
And a fishing pole?
Yeah, a fishing pole.
Come here. Oh.
I just come inside.
Attach that piece.
Is this just for me?
All for you. Bless you. You've been such a good girl.
Ooh.
That's a spotting scope.
Funny. And Dora the mermaid.
Dora the Mermaid.
I told you I have Dora the mermaid. Papa, I got Dora the mermaid.
Wow.
She dives and really, really swims.
Yeah. Gonna have lots of fun during bath time.
Yeah.
Let's see what else you got.
What else?
A fishing pool.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's a net to catch your fish.
Or butterflies.
Or butterflies.
And look at this.
Got some bubbles.
Bubbles.
Mhm.
Ooh.
What's this? For your bait. You got a little box.
A little box.
Fishing pole.
Fishing pool.
Uh-huh.
Dada, I got a fishing pole.
All right.
And some little bunnies, some little toys.
Here's some little toys.
And another basket.
I got a basket too.
Uh-huh.
So I can go Easter.
That's right. Pretty good stuff, huh?
Yeah.
That's a butterfly. You can make him fly.
Yeah.
There you go.
I
And he flies around.
want to do that.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see if we can get this.